how to fix Telegram unable to play video issue. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the unable to play video issue on Telegram. If you're having trouble watching videos on Telegram, I've got you covered with quick and easy solutions. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is make sure your internet connection is stable. Check your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue is related to your network. You can also try restarting your router or modem to refresh the connection. Sometimes simply restarting the Telegram app can fix minor glitches. Close the Telegram app completely by swiping it away and reopen the app and try playing the video again. Now, clearing the cache in Telegram can also help resolve video loading issues. Open Telegram, go to Settings, and simply tap on Data and Storage. Here you'll find an option called Storage Uses. Tap on it and click on Clear Entire Cache. After clearing, reopen Telegram and check if the video plays. Next solution is to update the Telegram app. Open your App Store or Google Play Store, search for Telegram. If there's an update available, simply update it. After updating, launch the app and check if the video plays correctly. Next, what you can do is disable VPN if applicable. If you're using a VPN, it might be causing the video to not load. Disable the video VPN temporarily. Simply open your settings and search for VPN, and if it is connected, simply turn that off. And that's it. You've now learned how to fix the unable to play video or issue on Telegram.